cryptocurrency prices can rise overnight and crash just as fast. But what's really behind these wild price swings? In this video, we'll break down the real drivers behind crypto prices, from supply and demand to investor sentiment, so you can better understand the market. Let's dive in. Just like traditional assets, crypto prices are determined by market dynamics, mainly supply and demand. But because crypto is still relatively new and unregulated, it's more volatile and influenced by a broader range of factors. For example, if more people want to buy Bitcoin than sell it, the price goes up. If more people are selling than buying, the price falls. Let's break down 6 key forces that influence crypto prices. Number 1, market sentiment. News, social media trends, and public perception can trigger rapid price changes. A positive tweet from a major influencer can send prices soaring, while a security breach or regulatory threat can cause a dip. Number 2, adoption and use cases. Coins that are gaining real-world use, like Ethereum for smart contracts or Solana for DeFi, tend to grow in value as adoption increases. Number 3, scarcity and tokenomics. Bitcoin has a hard cap of 21 million coins. This limited supply creates scarcity, which can drive prices higher, especially during times of increased demand. Number 4, regulation and government policies. News of crypto bans or favorable regulations in large economies can make or break market momentum. Number 5, whale movements. Large holders, often called whales, can move the market with single transactions. Monitoring whale wallets can sometimes hint at potential volatility. And lastly, number 6, macro events and economic conditions. Interest rates, inflation, and global market trends can also impact how people invest, and that includes crypto. It's important to separate short-term volatility from long-term potential. While short-term prices are driven by news cycles and hype, long-term value often depends on fundamentals, utility, development activity, network adoption, and real-world partnerships. Understanding what drives price movements can help you make more informed decisions, whether you're holding, trading, or just observing. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more beginner-friendly crypto content. And if you're ready to dive deeper, check out Coinmama.com for more tools, guides, and market insights.